Hey guys, in today's video I'll be sharing with you this progression trick on worship song. Okay, when I started learning bass guitar, it really helped me. I just want to share it out to beginners out there so that you can grow with it. Okay, and it is very easy. You just need to understand the process. Okay, if you're new to this YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video to your friends. I also do private class lessons. If you're interested, you see the link in the comment section below or in the description below. Click on the link, it will take you direct to my WhatsApp. Okay, so guys, grab your bass and let's begin with a tutorial. Okay, what I'll be showing you here, you need to take time, understand the concept. Okay, and throughout the video I'll be giving you simple passing notes for this progression and simple fills. Okay, so I'll be using two progression on just a song. Okay, and I will show you how and when to use this. That's the second progression in that song. Okay, so now let's look at the first step of the song. That is the first progression and fills and all those kind of things I'll be applying in the song. Okay, okay, so what I was playing here was the first progression, and I applied fills and everything just to make the groove simple and steady. Okay, so let me break it down for you. The progression was simple. Da, 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 da. Ancients of days. Okay, as old as you are. Okay, so remember that from your 1 3 4. Okay, and also see how I place my fingers so that when you are grooving like this, you won't find it difficult when using it. Okay, so da, 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 your 1 to your 3, you want to go to your 4, so you slide just to make it sound cool. Okay, 1 3 4. Okay, ancients of days, as old as you are. Now to your 2, and I applied a passing note. Okay, so that is 5 6 2 5 6 2. That is to your 2. Okay, so 3 4 5 6 2, and to your 5 I did a same passing note. That is 5 6 2 5. And while you be playing this, you have to pluck on your 5, you hammer on your 6, pluck on your 2, then you pluck on your 5. So you understand. And to your 6 I did a fill. Okay, so that is 2 3 5 1 6. Okay, so you pluck on your 2, hammer on 3, pluck on 5, pluck on 1 6, pluck on your 6, then to your 7. Okay, normally people will just play it from 6 5, but I did it on 6 7. You see how I changed the progression from 5 to 7. They are still the same, but how it sounds different from when you play it on 5 and sound different from when you play it on your 7. So on your 7 I did something like this. So another cool fills you can use on your 7. So that is, you descend from your 2, so you start from your 1, you pluck on your 1, hammer on your 2. Okay, then you descend 1 7 5 2 1 7. You understand? So ancients of days, as old as you are, so old as you are. Da 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 da. You see, so when I played my 7 5 1 So I'll be coming to my 7 and 5 1. So to my 5, dun, 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 dun. So 3 4 6 5 5 5 5 1. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. So that's the progression 1 5 1 4. So dun, dun. Okay, so you can do it in two ways. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, or okay, so when you play your 1 and you want to go to your 5 chromatically, you start from your 3. So 3 4 4 sharp 5, then a passing note to your 4. That is 4 5 1 4. So you should learn this pattern when you are using it. Okay, so you can do it in the root notes and you can apply that pattern to give you that feels. Okay, so 4 5 1 4. You understand? Or you can do it down, dun, 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 dun. So that is 5 6 5 sharp and your 5 2 1 5 4. So now to your 2 again. 5 6 1 2 3 6 2. Okay, so that goes like this: 2 5 2 6 4 3 2. Then you end the song 3 4 6 5 5 7 1. You see? So the normal progression, that is when you want to end on your 5, but I ended on my 7. You can also put that in mind. It is not compulsory for you to always end on your 5. You can end on your 7. Then you can bring in this fill. Then if you still have more time on your 5, you can bring in, then end on your 5, then continue with the progression. Okay, so now let's jump into the second step and see the difference between the first one and the second one. So you see that in the second one, some of the progression, I changed them, okay? So I'll show you how I did it, okay? So look at the first one. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun. So look at this one. That is your 1 to your 3. So now when I'm starting here, I'm starting from my 6. Dun, 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 dun. Back to my 3. So there's a song out there. If you don't want to start from your 1, you can start from your 6, then continue the progression, either 3, then you can continue. Okay, so dun, 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 dun. It feels to my 3, down to my 4. Okay, so 6 5 6 5 4. You have your 2 sharp, 3 2 1, a passing note to your 4, which I did at the first one. You understand? So and to your 2, dun, 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 dun. the normal one, and to your 5. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, and to your 6, and now to your 7. So I forgot to play this in the groove. This was what I was supposed to play, but let me just bring it now. So dun, 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 dun. Okay, so let me play it and see how it will sound. So on my 7, dun, 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 dun. Okay, so you need to learn this pattern very well. Okay, so remember that in the second one we are going to the La but not the Do. That is your 6, not 1. Okay, so you can do it this way. Instead of you playing, you can play the 1 if you want to, or you slide to your 6. I hope you got that. So you see, so I played something like this. This is the second one. Ancients of day. Dun, dun, dun. Very nice fills you can use. So 5, 6, 1, 2, 2 sharp 3. Then you hit on your lower bass, your 3. That is your root 3. Okay, then you continue 1, 5, 4. Okay, and the third one, dun, 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 dun. You see, now I'm not playing on my 1, so 6. So that is 5, 6, 5, 4, 2, 3, 2, 1, 5, 1, 4. You understand? So 4 the same to your 2. I want to show you something here. 5, 6, 2, 5. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. To my 5 chromatically. Back to your 1, 1, 4. Dun, 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 dun. You see how I'm trying to end the song. Dun, 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 dun. So now I am climbing from my 2, 3, 4, 5. Dun, 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 dun. So at the normal one, you just play it 2. Dun, 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 dun. You understand? So now you can even climb to dun, dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. If you're totally a beginner, I want you to grow with this kind of thing. This was how I started and it is helping me now. It will also build up your musical ears. Okay, so guys, I think this is the few 2 steps I'll be giving to you. Learn the first progression, the bass lines, the fills and passing note, and also learn the second progression, the fills and all the rest. Okay, so I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Bye for now.